Right here I have a medium-sized pot with some water inside of it. I'm gonna cook off some pasta, and the pasta which I'm gonna cook is very easy and simple. What I'm gonna do, I have some oil inside of it already, a little bit of salt. Now we're gonna put some twist pasta inside of it like this. So the best way to cook your pasta is to make sure the water cover the pasta. That's the best way. And I'm using 500 grams of pasta. That means it's only one pack. Nice and beautiful. So what I'm gonna do, I've already put some olive oil inside of it, and I already put a little bit of salt, teaspoon of salt inside of it. If you want to add more salt, you can add. If you don't want to add salt, you don't need to add salt. Leave this to make it cook for roughly 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it is ready. Or 12 minutes. 12 to 15 minutes, that's good for it. Lovely one. So we're gonna cover this and leave that for 12 to 15 minutes. So right here I have a medium-sized pot on the stove so far, ready for the little oil. I'm gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil inside of it, like this, roughly 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I got half of a sweet pepper, and 2 white onions already chopped up very small. So right here I have peppers, mixed pepper, red and green pepper, ready fine diced, and 2 white onions and some spring onion ready cut up. So I'm gonna put it straight in the front pan like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply fry off a corned beef. Nice and beautiful. Give this a little stir. So you're gonna fry this roughly for about 8 minutes inside of the pot like this. Beautiful recipe. I know you guys are gonna love this one. Look at that, looking really good. I know we have recipe like this on my YouTube channel, but this one's gonna be a little bit different. There's a little twist to it. So see, the pasta is ready, cooked, soft, and ready to throw off that water. Look at the pasta how it looks. So you can know when pasta cook, it looking a little bit shrinky. So this is ready now. I'm gonna pour off the water and we're gonna shear out it. So in the meantime, you can see that we are cooking the corned beef right over here. So right here is the corned beef, looking really nice and beautiful. The season's getting right there. Frozen corn, which I'm gonna put inside of the bowl, inside my bowl. So I'm gonna put it straight inside of the season which we are frying up right here. That's the sweet corn. Give it a little stir. Then next we have the beef, which I'm gonna put straight inside of it like this. And what we're gonna do is simple, just break up it into some pieces. What I'm gonna say to you, you don't need to do this. You can also microwave it if you like. So I'm just giving you an idea if you don't know what next to do when you take it from the tin. So I'm just gonna leave this and it will just take its time and cook apart. So this is getting cooked, and I wanna say the pasta is ready. Nice one. So looking really nice and beautiful. A little bit of pepper next, a little bit of coarse pepper, a little bit of ketchup, nice one. Next, a little stir. As you can see, looking really good. It's getting right there, looking good. So it is finished now. So what I'm gonna do is just cook this roughly for about 12 minutes, and it is finished. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up and show you how it have a little bit of twist with it. Beautiful with the pasta and the sweet corn and corned beef for the seasoning. I know you guys are gonna love this. This is just a quick, simple recipe for evening dinner. 9 to 5 job. recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel, and just go on my website, type in chefricardo.co.uk. Enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo Cooking, and we have a lot more recipe coming out. As I say, very quick and easy recipe. Corned beef with tuna, corned beef with pasta, beautiful and nice.